Mga kuya, ate, bunso, and friends of Eagles, brotherhood is not just about camaraderie, but also unifying and strengthening relationships that will build a foundation leading to love to God as well as the community. Tonight, we will be witnessing the induction of 8 new members of Bando Eagles Club and 4 new members of Habagat Humbutuan Eagles Club.
Mabuhay ang Agila! Mabuhay ang Agila! Mabuhay ang Agila!
I hereby call this joint induction of Bando Eagles Club and Habagat Humbutuan Eagles Club to order.
We were made to feel like this. We were made to feel like this. Like we're chasing stars through an open sky. The time is ours, but we're coming alive. We were made to feel like this. Made to feel like this.
Gusto ang organization na tanan Agila, tanan kuya na agyo'y tingog. So para sa mo ang bag-o nga mga kuya, ayaw mo kahadlok. Kay sugod karong adlaw, o sugod ugma niya di na mo tawag og bag-o, kuya na gyud mo.
Timan ilang ninyo ang kantong last line sa charging kagaina, mga kuya, bagong kuya. Ingon dito sa last line, last but not the least, let us look our fellow kuya with the eyes of compassion rather than the eyes of condemnation.